This is George from High Tech Legion. Today we're going to take a look at the new docking station from Icy Dock, the MB981U3S-1S. The new docking station from Icy Dock comes packaged in a very nice box which actually goes over the key features. You get a good look at the docking station itself right on the front of the enclosure, and does have the key features of 2.5 and 3.5 inch disk compatible, USB 3.0 up to 5 gigabits per second, and eSATA up to 3 gigabits per second. The dock itself, very simple piece of course, all black, Icy Dock logo on the front. Going up top, see the power button, and the 3.5 and 2.5 inch drawer, which the drive fits into. Eject button right on the side. Sides, very simple, plain. Going around the back, eSATA connector, USB 3 connector, and power connector. Again, very simple piece, but it doesn't need to be very complex as a docking station. Very simple to use. Your drive will just drop right into the top. 3.5, same as 2.5, goes in just the size of the door. This is going to be a little bit different the way it opens. Goes in, pushes right into place. Removing, just as simple. Push button on the side, pops the disc up and out. Simple installation, obviously. And the docking station comes with everything you need. Power cable, eSATA cable, and a USB 3.0 cable. As always from Icy Dock, we see very well made piece, well constructed, very solid feeling, not plasticky or cheap feeling at all. Going inside you can see all metal, very well constructed piece from Icy Dock.